Ah, it's a good campsite.
Hey, Mom.
Huh?
Don't forget the burgers. Hey, get the food.
Oh gosh, Rick. Huh? What do you know? We're at a campsite.
A campsite? That's awesome. Can you go in the water and swim?
I think you're a little too scared to go in the water. And plus there's alligators in there. I wonder, wait, there's alligators in there?
Yeah.
My goodness. Creepy.
Okay, got the carrots and I got the food for our campsite.
I'm gonna look at the beauty.
Look at it.
Look at the beauty.
Make it fall down. Don't make it. Look. Just look at it.
Marcel, get up.
What?
We're at another campsite.
The next campsite. Okay. I brought some apples to have apple juice.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, good. We needed apple juice.
Good thing I brought it. Look at it.
This is a cool campsite with beautiful trees
I'm not pretending
with
That's not
with
handing
birds.
What?
I wonder.
Let me get this apple juice. I want to make the apple juice.
Yeah, you definitely need to. I'm starving.
Mama, the food's gonna be done.
Huh?
The food's gonna be done.
Yep, it's gonna be done.
Okay. Hey Lucy, here's your apple juice.
Gotta go back
Oh,
in the
thank you.
camp and take a nap.
Lucy. Greasy, you have to stay with us. And I bought a burger along. I'm eating this burger. I'm hungry.
Can I eat an apple?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Eat the apples. This burger slice on this camping trip.
Good, Rick.
Yeah, enjoying this campsite. Well, on to the next song. Oof.
Look at that one.
Where?
That one.
This
Yeah, that one your thumb's pointing to. No, not that one. That one.
This one?
That's cool. Ricardo would definitely like that. Wow.
This is so cool.
I can't believe we're at the beach.
Our camping site.
It's time.
Actually, face right there. Face like that.
Wow, we're at the beach.
This is so cool.
Marcel, it's your favorite place ever. The beach.
My favorite place is not the beach. It's the forest that we went to.
This is beautiful.
Yep. Gracie, you are right. It's beautiful.
Okay, watch out.
I can't believe we're at the waters. Can't believe we're at.
I'm in the water.
No, we're on land.
Yeah, I'm in the water. Now I'm on land. I don't want my shoes to get wet.
I'm not wearing shoes.
I know, you're wearing feet. You have feet on.
I'm never ever gonna wear shoes.
Oh my goodness. I can't believe we're at the beach.
And no one's here.
What do you know?
Well, it's kind of sad because no one's here.
Look,
And the music is sad.
We're at the waters of San Francisco. We're at San Francisco.
We're at the San Francisco beach.
Yeah.
We're in California. Oh, look at the water.
Look at that
shining.
beautiful sunset.
Oh, you are right. Jasmine, is it beautiful?
Yes, beautiful.
So lovely.
Yeah, Johnny says stop saying
Stop saying
that.
pretend. Okay, guys. God, I like it. Yes.
It's the best day of
Well,
my life.
Let's go back. On to the next campsite.
The campsite.
Shit, fine. Ooh, the forest. What a bird's chirping. Wow, birds chirping.
It's about the rain, I think.
No, it's just the waterfall.
I think it's just the storm clouds that's coming right now.
Yep.
Whoa! Wow.
They're right there.
This way cool adventure. Go lay down. Ah, a camper! Look at the camper.
Okay. I got the camper.
Phew, finally, camp.
Okay, let's get in so we can go on home. Our camping was good, right, guys? Come on, let's get in.
I can't believe we're at the Recardo Ferry Bright Sunshine. Finally!
Okay, where's Jasmine?
Jasmine! Jasmine! I think Jasmine got eaten up. Well, that's not true.
No.
She definitely did not get eaten up.
Okay, let's get in the car.
We're going to our next campsite. First, sit on Mom's lap.
Oh. Get off my leg! Ouch.
Oh, you wanted to be at the house?
I got it, Jenny. We're here.
It's kind of annoying with the birds.
It's not annoying.
It's real annoying.
Hey, Jenny.
Guys, the birds are so annoying.
Stop. Look at this. Hey, they're just singing a song, Lucy.
Hummingbirds.
Honeybirds?
Hummingbirds.
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 Okay, this is the last view for the campsite.
So we're going back home?
Yep.
Beautiful.
Okay, guys. Time to go back home.